Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Nick here. Hey, just a very quick one today. I didn't have time to get any driving footage, so sorry about that, but I'm in a Ritchies Coach Lines 2008 Scania K114. I think it's about a 49 seater. Really nice inside this bus. I like the way they've got the hard floor here. You have a very tidy coach, very nice to drive. 7-speed Scania pre-select. As I said, I would have liked to have got some driving footage today with the pre-select, but just didn't get the chance to get the camera set up. So a busy old day, a couple of cruise ships in. But here's a wee look at the interior. I was in a similar one a few days ago, one of the sister ships of this bus. This is fleet 244. So your nice dash layout. Pre-select, really nice gear shift. You can use the pre-select or you can change with the clutch each time. Just do a quick walk around. Engine view there. Doing the checks this morning. Two entry and exit doors. And Kiwi bus built coach, which I always like. So guys, yeah, okay, thanks for watching. Just a quick video today, as I said, but thought I'd just like to give you a bit of a walk around the bus, around the coach. So be doing plenty more driving over the next few weeks, and plenty of videos coming your way. Please remember to leave a comment, click subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate the support for the channel. Check out my other new channel, Nick's Journey Junction, if you like airplanes, trains, stations and travel videos. Otherwise stick to watching Bus Driver Nick as well. But look, hey, thanks again guys, thanks for the support, really appreciate it, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.